If you are coming to Netherlands to work here or for the job purpose, or you are already in the Netherlands and going to start your job, then this video is for you because I am going to explain about the Dutch work culture in the Netherlands. I will also be sharing some do's and don'ts in the Dutch work office. This video will definitely help you to understand Dutch work culture, and then you will be well prepared to work with Dutch people. Welcome to Tina Sunshine. My name is Tina. Now let's understand the Dutch work culture in better way. Dutch people give value to the time, so if you want to work in Netherlands with Dutch people, then you have to be very punctual and you have to give value to the time. Here everything works in appointment and times. Let's say if you have appointment at 10, then you cannot walk around at 10:01. Everyone will be in meeting at 10 o'clock. So you cannot join meeting or call late. Dutch people also give value to your time, so they plan everything in advance. They take your appointment and block their calendar in advance, and they come in meeting well prepared, so no one's time will be wasted. So when you come to the Netherlands, you have to take extra care on this. Here you cannot compromise with the quality, so in this matter you have to be perfect. Here people don't think that one person should know everything, but they expect that whatever you know, you should know the best. So whatever you deliver, you should deliver perfect or the best. Here they don't expect many things at once, so we should not focus on quantity, but rather than we should focus on quality. This is the swiping card. I had the similar swiping card when I was working in India. If I talk about the flexible timing, I didn't find any difference because the same flexible timing I had in India, and here also I have the flexible timing. But the difference I found is when I was swiping this card in India, it was recording my entry time and exit time. But here also I swipe my card, but it does not record any time. So I understood that management and manager trust you. Here in Netherlands, the work culture is all about trust, and trust is something that is very important in work culture. One of the best thing I find in Dutch work culture is no hierarchy. Here everyone is treated equally, and my manager is not my boss. Like in India, we try to impress our boss, and there will be kind of fear, but here it is not like that. Let's say my manager wants to have an unplanned meeting with me, then he can come and ask. In that case, if I don't have time, then I can say politely, I can say sorry, I don't have time now, I am rushing. Then he can take early appointment, but he will not remember this for my next appraisal and take any kind of grudges. So this is the best thing, that everyone is treated equally and create a friendly environment in the office. Yes, here you will see Dutch people only work during office hours. They don't like to waste their time by chit chat with other colleagues during office timings. They really don't like to waste times. But colleagues used to go lunch together and take mini coffee breaks. During those breaks, they have non-work related conversation. Dutch people also respect your private life, so they don't like to interfere much on that. But they are interested on conversation like how was your weekend, how was your vacation, what was the good experience or bad experience on your vacation. So they like to have conversation on those topics. They don't like to interfere on your personal life. Here, work-life balance is reality. Suppose if you have 9 to 5 job, then nobody expect you to work beyond your working hours or working till late in the office. This is not in the Dutch work culture. They give value to your personal life and family time. You can even start your office morning 6:30, and you can end your office by 3:30 in the evening. And in any case, if you have to work in weekend or beyond your working hours, then you have to discuss with your manager. Then proper planning will be done, and also you will get extra reimbursement for your extra work. For Dutch people, lunch is a necessity. Therefore, most of the employees eat their sandwiches behind their computer, or even bring their sandwiches in the meeting room. So this was the biggest working culture shock for me. So if you are coming to the Netherlands, then don't be shy to eat your sandwich at the desk, and don't be surprised by seeing someone eating during the meeting. So these were the work culture shock which I faced. If you also got the similar experience, or if you have some other work culture shock, then please let me know in the comment section. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe, and if you find my videos informative, then give a big thumbs up and like my videos. See you in the next video. Bye.